Well, folks, if some tell you that means of organic gardening do not yield results, I'm bringing witness to you that that's not true. Dave with you here in the garden, old plot D7. Happened to come back here after a little bit of an absence, and what do we find? Growth. Growth everywhere. Squash, beans, strawberries, tomatoes, and more tomatoes. Even the roses are doing fine here. All by organic means. Composted soil, my friends. That's what you see the results of here. Compost, sun, and water, and we get abundant growth results. So if you hear arguments about organic gardening methods don't work, pesticides, chemical fertilizers, and all the such are what you need. I don't think so. Take a look. Dave with you here in the garden, just bringing you a quick update with plot D7 here. We'll bring you more later on. Talk with you then.